Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today is very special day kasi we are celebrating the academic achievement ng aming dalawang anak through God's grace. And we are here at Kamayan sa Villares dito sa Kalumpit for our Thanksgiving lunch. Kaya tara, Arya! Let's eat, celebrate, and thanks God together! Yay! Ang saya kasi this place is perfect for family celebration. Their food is super sulit and the ambience is cozy. Actually, this is our fourth times na kumain dito. And now, we are here to celebrate not just for the grades, hindi lang sa grades nila, but also for the blessings and opportunities God gave them. Kami, we always make it a point to celebrate achievements with gratitude, hindi dahil sa perfect grades, pero dahil sa blessings and guidance ni Lord. Ang sarap talaga dito sa Kamayan sa Villares. Ang crispy ng liempo, fresh ang seafood, and the rice is perfect for Kamayan style. O nga pala guys, salamat sa lahat ng nanood. To our daughters, continue to trust God, study hard, and stay humble. This achievement is a reminder that God's grace is real. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you on our next vlog. Arya!